Hey everybody, we're here in East Texas. We went across New Mexico and all of kind of North Texas in 2 days, but the weather was really bad and really windy and really freezing, so we didn't really do any filming. But now we're here in East Texas and we're kind of stuck here until borders open up.
But at least the weather's beautiful.
And yeah, so we're basically just going to be waiting this out here and probably doing some riding in this area, exploring. Hey everybody, we're here in Texas still, just kind of hanging out, doing nothing because we can't really go anywhere. All the borders are closed and everything's kind of shut down. But at least we got something to do today. Today I'm going to be changing the tires on the bike. Got some Shinko 805s. The bike still has its stock, the tires that it came with it, which are the Bridgestone Battle Wings. And they're still really good. They only have like just over 4,000 miles on them, so they're still have plenty of tread on them, but we want something a little bit more aggressive, so we're gonna switch over to the Shinkos so we can go play in some dirt, because we got nothing else better to do and we're out in the middle of nowhere. So we're gonna go play in some dirt, and yeah, so time for a tire change day.